Yo, what's up Bali? How you guys doing? Apa kabar and selamat pagi, Rahajang Sama. Welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, Bali travel regulation, and what to do in Bali. I received a lot of email asking me, okay, what happened in Bali for New Year's Eve? Will there be a party? Of course there will be a party. The pandemic is over, man. There's plenty of option to spend a New Year's Eve in Bali. You can just go to the beach, you can celebrate at cafes, and you can also celebrate in a club. So, which club? Right now, I'm standing in front of the biggest beach club in Bali. There, Atlas. It's the biggest beach club also in Southeast Asia. You must be wondering, what does this look like? So, without further ado, let's get it. We are entering the Atlas now. It's a pity I cannot hold my GoPro. They have to yeah, I cannot bring my GoPro. But I can always use my handphone, right? When we enter, is the restaurant area. We got rib shack there, we got rib shack. We got sushi Japanese restaurant behind me. Look. And there's a ramen there. And plenty of sitting area. You can even bring your pet here. Let's go there. Let's to enter the beach club. Selamat pagi. It's big, man. It's pretty big. They have a bed couch, look. And there, normally they have the DJ during the sunset and enjoying the DJ and have a cocktail over here by the pool. Endless pool. Cool, huh? Balcony. See the sunset.
And all of a sudden in walks Nile Rodgers.
I heard it's also the longest pool. So, if you get the general admission, you'll get, this include this free drink. Can you see it? They have some cocktails, you know, Coco Melon, Captain Cola, Smirnoff, Lemonade, etc. Bali High Romantic Day Lager, Bintang, and a fresh coconut. I ordered fresh coconut. I must say it's the longest bar that I ever seen, that I've ever been. So if you're sitting in a bar, this is what you see. There you go. You can see. You can also enjoy the sunset here, even you're only sitting in the bar. And right in front of it is the DJ booth with all the LED. There you go. God of Atlas, look. Atlas. I'm in the balcony now. Let's see how it feels in balcony. Yeah, look. The DJ booth is over there. And yeah. You can also see the sunset here from the balcony. Oh, they also have a gym. Look, look, look. Gym is upstairs, look. Open air gym. Another restaurant over here, Ben's Grill. There's plenty of restaurants, so you can spend like the whole day here. From the afternoon or something, you can eat, you can enjoy the day, enjoy the sun. Street market. Now the street market still closed at this hour. Some of them already open. They even have department stores. I mentioned earlier, you really can stay here for the whole day. You got plenty of restaurants here. You can even have a department store. You have a gym while enjoying the sunset. Cool. To enter this place, to enter this beach club, it's only $10, $10 US. With that, you can swim, you have a free cocktail or coconut that like I had, and there's no limit of time. It's open at 10 o'clock in the morning anyway, so you can swim from 10 o'clock in the morning until 12. And here you can see they have also restaurant, food court, they have department store, they have a gym. So you can spend the whole day here in Atlas Beach Club. Just see the details in their website. I mentioned here, this is the website. You don't have to write it down. I also mentioned down in the description. Just click the link and you'll see things that they offer. So you want to celebrate New Year's here? Just fly. How? For you, the citizen of 9 Southeast Asian countries. Yeah, first of all, excuse me, there's some noise. I hope you can still hear my voice. Anyway, if you are a citizen of 9 Southeast Asian countries, you're entitled to get 30 days free visa. All you gotta do when you arrive in Bali airport, just bring your passport and go straight to the immigration. And you got 30 days free visa. But you cannot extend though. And if you are a citizen of these 86 countries, you can get visa on arrival at the airport in Bali. You can pause this video if you want to see if your country is in it. It only costs you $25 to stay 30 days, and then you can extend at the immigration office for another 30 days. Maximum 60 days you can stay in Bali with a visa on arrival. And if you are 46 of these 86 countries, if you are citizen of these 46 countries, you can get visa on arrival online. Yep, I already explained it step by step how to get it in my previous video, this video. Okay, I also mentioned down the link in the description. You can get it online, so you can pay it online with all major credit card, and you can get the visa there. All you need is just print it, and then when you arrive in Bali, just go straight to the immigration and show your visa, the one that you printed, and that's it. You don't have to line up at the visa on arrival counter. But of course, if you are not sure about the online thing, you have to put in your major credit card. Just fly to Bali and then get the visa on arrival at the airport. And for you who's not on the list yet, on the list of visa on arrival, or you want to stay more than 60 days, or you have a plan to get kitas, like working kitas, business kitas, family kitas, etc., you need to apply the B211A visa about 1 month before your flight. Normally it takes like 10 business days, but let's say 1 month. 1 month before your departure, before you're flying, apply the B211A visa. Not to the embassy, but through agency, through visa agency. Now the embassy cannot issue a visa. So go through the visa agency, like me for instance, send photo of your passport, send vaccine certificate, and pay. And then if you want me to do your visa, send me email. Alright, I'll do your B211A visa. Remember, whatever your visa is, for those who already 18 years old and above, you have to show vaccine certificate, minimum 2 doses, or letter from doctors saying that you cannot get vaccine because of your health condition, or you already experienced COVID and right now you're already cured and not infectious anymore. Make sure your passport still valid for at least 6 months from the day you enter Indonesia. So this is from now. I see you in New Year's 2023. So my name is Mr. from Atlas Beach Club, signing off. Stay safe.